Memory cleaning or RAM optimization. A lot of programs will sit in your system tray and use a lot of resources. Now this program is slightly different. Simply download it, run, and follow the prompts through and allow it to install. All you have to do is click next again. You can install shortcuts for the current user or all users. Click next. You have 32-bit or 64-bit. Click next again, and it will install the executable and the uninstall. Now, once it's finished, that's it done. This runs on Windows 2000, 2003, 2008, XP, Vista, and Windows 7. The download is 1.75 megabytes. Now, as you can see in my task manager, you can see the memory usage here, and you can see how high some of these things are. You know, Firefox 82 megabytes, SVC host 46, and so it goes on. Now, if I open up the control panel in XP and open scheduled tasks, clean system memory, if I double click that, it'll open up the properties. And schedule, I go to advanced. For the benefit of the video, I'm going to change this to 5 minutes, but 30 minutes for most users is fine. And you can leave the settings as they are. Now, if you're using Vista or Windows 7, you need to go to Administrative Tools and Task Scheduler. Now, you need to install this with admin rights. You may need to turn off the UAC panel. Now, click on Task Scheduler Library. As you can see, mine's already here and set up. If you want the details on how to create the task and modify it, there's a link on my site which will walk you through the triggers, the actions, conditions, and settings. It's very simple, very easy to follow. There's also in the start menu a folder for CleanMem with an apply and ignore list. If you use a lot of games and that sort of things, you'll find that memory usage can be very high, and what this program does, it reclaims unused memory in a completely different way, because there's nothing in the system tray, you don't see anything running. And this will kick in a minute and you'll see the difference. Now, it only runs for a few seconds and obviously depends on your machine setup, your configuration, what you've got running, etc. But if you just watch it and see what happens and see the difference. Now, it's just kicked in. Its peak memory usage is 6 megabytes and its average usage is 1, and that's it gone. But look at the memory usage, the way it's dropped down. It's reclaimed all of this memory and given it back to you. So it's refreshed it, and what's not being used, it's given back to you. It really is that simple. Now, I'm going to run it again and pause the video before it runs. Here it goes, and this is in slow motion. I slowed it down, and as you can see, it's very low usage. It actually runs, as I said, for 4 or 5 seconds, and that's it. There's nothing in the system tray, and there's nothing to see. It's a great little program and something you really don't want to be without. I've recommended it to many users that I deal with on a one-to-one basis, and if you want more information and you want the download links, check out my blog, which is Free PC Security, and you can find it at freepcsecurity.co.uk. If you're on YouTube, click the link. Otherwise, go to freepcsecurity.co.uk, click the index, and go to CleanMem.